Hockey 605. We're here with Sioux Falls Flyers defenseman now, Kieran Denny. Senior night. Does it seem like you've been playing that long?
No, it seems like it's just gone by in a flash. I mean, it seems like yesterday I was just strapping on the skates for the first time and face planting.
Well, and now, as quick as it seems to have gone for you, it's gone way faster for your parents.
Yeah, I mean, I bet they're glad that they're done with hockey so they don't have to pay, but I know secretly they're going to miss it. So
They are. They'll probably become hockey addicts and follow the team around that comes after you suppose?
Yeah, I think they said they're going to come here at least once a night and then reflect on how they don't miss it, but in reality, they're going to miss it.
Yeah, I'm sure they will. So reflecting back, Kieran, what are some of your fondest memories of playing?
Probably, you know, just some of them are just hanging out with the teams at hotels, and then some are going out to nationals out in Buffalo or nationals down in Omaha last year, and just having fun and playing games.
Now, what does the future hold for you after graduation?
I'm going to UND for schooling, for nursing, and I might try to just walk on as a joke up there, but probably going to play some intramural up there. So
They definitely have a little hockey going on up there, don't they?
yeah, just a little bit, but
Yeah, well, it'll be fun. Tonight you guys have a game against, who are you playing tonight? Yankton, right?
Yankton, yeah.
Have you guys played each other yet?
Yeah, we lost 5-4 or 5-3, I think, so it'll be a
Okay,
good
well,
game.
close. So this will be a good game for you tonight.
Yes, it will, and hopefully we'll come out with the W today.
All right. Well, Kieran, it's been fun watching you. We'll see you again at State, I'm sure, but want to wish you the best of luck tonight.
Thank you.
Thanks.